Hi children, today our topic is grammar chapter 4. Our grammar topic is pronouns today. You know what is pronoun in the last class itself while studying the adjectives and also nouns. So it is very easy to understand. Today we are going to see what is pronoun and also its types. Yes, a pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun. Pronouns refer to either a noun that has already been mentioned, which means pronouns are used to avoid the nouns again and again in the same passages or the sentences. For example, I like Omar, he is my best friend. Here I am using I and he as a pronoun. I is used to refer the speaker's name and he is refers to Omar. He is a boy, so I am using the pronoun he. Second sentence, Sia as a dog, she named it Ginger. Here I am using instead of Sia, she, and instead of a dog, I am using it. So, she and it are the pronouns in the second sentence. Okay, now we're gonna see about the types. Now we are going to see about two types. One is possessive pronoun and second one is demonstrative pronouns. You already studied about what is possessive adjective and demonstrative adjective. So it's very easy to learn what is possessive pronoun and demonstrative pronoun. It's related as well as the same, but it have little changes in it. Possessive pronouns shows that something belongs to someone, which shows the same ownership of the noun. For the possessive pronouns words are mine, ours, yours, his, hers, and this. Okay, it's always add with the s. Okay, for example, the green balls are mine. Okay, the green balls are mine, the yellow balls are yours. Okay, I didn't use mine and yours before the noun or after the noun. I just use the nouns with the verb. Okay, now we are going to see the difference between the possessive pronoun and possessive adjective because it's very related. It's as same as. Okay, now read the sentence. The farmer's grandma's. The farmer's hers. This is grandma's farm. This is her farm. Okay, both the sentence are giving the same meaning, but it's not giving you a same sentences. Now listen here. The first pair, hers is used in the place of grandma's. So it is a possessive pronoun. Okay, so it is a possessive pronoun. Listen the hers. It does not comes before the noun. Okay, it comes before the verb. Okay, this is the clue for you. Then the possessive pronouns is always comes replace the noun. Okay, in the second part, her is used to replace grandma's. It is used to describe a noun. Yes, it is used to describe a noun. It is a possessive adjective. Okay, it is describing the noun. So it is a possessive adjective. Now see the column. You have two columns. Okay, the same meaning words, but you have to differentiate while writing. See the words possessive pronouns mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs. Okay, possessive adjectives my, our, your, his, her, their, and its. Now we will see the demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun is also the same as the demonstrative adjective. You have a little changes in it while using in your sentences. Now listen. A demonstrative pronoun is a pronoun. It's also used to point out something. Okay, point out the specific things. The demonstrative pronouns is also the same words as well as in the demonstrative adjective. This, that, these and those. Only the 4 words. Okay, now we will see how to use it in the sentence. Read the sentences. This is grandma's house. Okay, that is the half built house. These are her grandchildren. Those are the crooks. They are using this, that you know how to, when to use this and that, way to use it. For plural and singular, you have to see the sentence according to the sense, have to change it. Now in the above sentence, this, these, that and those point to nouns. Yes, it's point outing some nouns. Okay, the first one, it's point outing the grandma's house. The second one is point outing the half built house. The third point is point outing the children. The last one is point outing the crooks. Yes? Okay. Now you know where to use. Yes, you know where to use the this, that and those and these. See the examples. Yes, this is used for almost, we know this is used for the singular noun and that is used for the singular noun. These and those is for used for plural nouns. Okay, when you are point outing something near to you, this and these, the things is very far to you, means you have to use that and those. Yes, hope we all understand what is possessive pronoun and what is demonstrative pronouns. Hope you all understand. It's very easy because you already learned what is possessive adjective and demonstrative adjective. So it's very easy to understand now. Now do the exercise on your own. Just use the singular and plural nouns and then answer it. Thank you.